In this video, we'll see some of the differences between a Numpy array and a series object. A series is very similar to a Numpy array. In fact, it is built on top of the Numpy array object. What differentiates the Numpy array from series is that series can have access label, meaning it can be indexed by a label instead of just a number location, as we can see in the Numpy array. So in Numpy array, we have something called as automatic indexing. That is, if we have an array with the elements 10, 20, 30 and 40, so it automatically has indexing there. It starts with 0. So it goes on like 0, 1, 2 and 3. We also know negative indexing. We can access the elements through negative indexing also. But in series, we can specify the access labels. That is, it can be indexed by a label. So it need not be numbers. It can be anything. Like here, we have the array 10, 20, 30 and 40 with the access labels A, B, C and D. So this is one difference between a Numpy array and a series object. The first one is indexing. So let us see the code. Let us try it in our Jupyter notebook. So yeah. First, let us start from scratch. So first, let's import Numpy and Pandas. Import Numpy as np. Then we'll import Pandas as pd. Then then we'll create our first series object. So before doing that, we have several ways to create a series object. We can either do it from a list or from an Numpy array or from a dictionary. So to do that, let's take a list. So we have a list called labels. We have A, B and C for labels. Then we have 10, 20 and 30 for the elements. And in the next, I've taken a Numpy array with same 10, 20, 30 as its element, and again a dictionary. So I'll show how to create a series using all these three. So first, let us do it from lists. So this is using list, creating a series object using list. Okay, so what I'll do is, I've used this, I'll be using this list to create a series object. So pd dot series of. So what is the data here? Data is this. My list is the data. So I'll just pass data is equal to my list here. I'll run. So you can see that we've got 10, 20, 30 as the data, and for index it is automatically taken 0, 1 and 2 as the index. So what if I want A, B, C as my index now? So I can give that because this is series. We have that option, right? So let us again define series. Yes, RIS series of. So same thing, data is my list only. Data is my list. Now data is my list. Okay, what is index now? So you can specify the index. So index is equal to what? Index is labels. So I've already defined labels as ABC. So I'll give that labels here. So I'll pass two parameters here, data and index. So what is data? This is my data. So I've passed my list here, and index is what? This one. ABC is the index. So I've passed this labels to index. So let us run and see. So yes, see, we can see that in the index we have ABC as index here. So this is how we give the index values for a series. The next difference between a NumPy array and a series object is arithmetic operation. So we all know that in NumPy array, while we add two integers or while we add two array objects, what happens? So we'll just see that. So this is for arithmetic operations. Okay, so okay, so arithmetic operation difference. First, what I'll do is I will create an array A1 with maybe 5 elements in it. Okay, a range 5. Okay, I'll create another array here with np dot. Okay, I already have an array here, right? ARR. Okay, ARR. So ARR has 10, 20, 30 in it, and A1 has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in it. So let me take this as 3 only for. Okay, both A1 and ARR has same number of elements in it, that is 3 elements in it. Yes, 0, 1 and 2, 10, 20 and 30. Now if I want to perform A1 plus ARR, what happens? You get the addition. So 10 plus 0 is 10, 20 plus 1 is 21, 30 plus 2 is 32. Yes, no issues with that. Now, what if I have another array called A2, okay, and it has 4 elements in it. Okay, it has 4 elements in it. So let me print A2 now. Yes, it has 4 elements in it. Let me also print A1 once again. It has 3 elements in it. Yes, A2 has 4 elements in it, A1 has 3 elements in it. And now if I want to perform addition operation between them, A1 plus A2, what happens? It is showing an error. Why? Because here we have 3 elements in it and here we have 4 elements, and we cannot perform arithmetic operation between two arrays of different size. Okay, so that is a problem. So what happens when we do it with a series? So let us try converting this into a series now. Okay, so what I do is I'll take S1 is equal to PD dot series of, I'll take A1. So A1 was an array of 3 elements. I have converted into a series. Okay, so let me print S1 now. Yes, 0, 1, 2. The same way I'll do the same thing for A2 also. I'll convert A2, which was 4 elements, which has 4 elements in it, into a series. So yes, I've converted it. Now let me perform arithmetic operation, addition of S1 and S2 series. So will it show error? Let us see now. No, it is not showing error. So what happened? 0 plus 0 gives 0. 1 plus 1 is giving 2. 2 plus 2 is giving 4. So here you don't have another element, but here you have 3. So you cannot just add 3 here. It is showing not a number here. So that is one speciality in series. It doesn't throw you error. It just shows not number not available. Okay. So that is another difference between series and a NumPy array. So that was all about this video. I hope you liked the video. So please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.